Good morning. Today we describe the code, the Python code to generate another Julia fractal. In this case, we call is fractal dragon Julia fractal. The the code is about take 40 line. Okay, we start with in the line 59 for the import of library numpy. This is a library for the fast mathematical operation on the large array to generate, to manipulate the matrix. In the 40 41 line, it import the matplotlib lib to draw and render the final image and to create a custom the color gradient. In the line 47, define the main function will execute the code, and in the line 47 define the constant is the crucial constant, complex constant, che define the specified shape of the Julia set. In Python, the variable j represent the imaginary unit. In math, normally this in the mathematical the indication is indicated with variable I. In the line 50, set the resolution of image for 5000 pixels. This is the ultra resolution of image. In the line 51 and 52, define the spatial boundary, the zoom window in the complex plane, and that we are looking at. In the line 55, max iter is the maximum number of time that the mathematical equation will be applied to each pixel. Either number reveal deeper, finer detail in the fractal. Escape radius is if a point's value when exceed this number during the calculation, we consider to have escape to infinity. Enlargus radius like 550 is used here to make the smooth shading algorithm calculate a cleaner gradient. Here there is the grid initialization in the step in the line 63. In the line X, create an array of 5000 space number between in the value minimum and maximal X, idem in the line 61 for the variable y. X y uguale np mesh grid, cross match the x and y array to create for a grid of 5000 for 5000 coordinate. Z combine the value in x and y into a single 5000 for 5000 grid of complex number zeta equal x più I y. Every pixel is now a starting value for our fractal math. Output create a blank 5000 for 5000 grid filled with the value of 0. This will eventually hold the color data for the image. Alive NP point one answer like Z create a 5000 for 5000 grid with value is with the true value. This is a Boolean mask that track which pixel have not escape infinity yet. In the line between 75 and 18 is the core fractal mathematical. It start with a loop with the variable e on the range 5000, and in the line 75 we tell NumPy to suppress warning message if the numbers get too big or in overflow or divide per 0. This is happen in the normally in fractal mathematical. Z is the formula of Julia set. Zn plus 1 is equal Zn elevate 2 plus the constant C. In the line 74, identify exactly which pixel just crossed the escape radius 550 during the specific loop iteration, and in the line 74, in the line 78, this in continuous potential smooth shading formula, instead of just giving pixel solid integer color passed on the loop number e, it uses a logarithm to calculate a decimal value. This eliminates ugly distant band of color and create a smooth continuous gradient. The line alive it takes the pixel just escape, flip them to false using this formula, and update the main tracker. And in the finally 18.4, after the loop finish 5000 times, any point that are still alive, never escape, belong to the inner solid shape of Julia set. There are assigned the maximum color value. Here there is in this line is the color mapping. In this list of tuple defining custom gradient, the first number in each tuple from 0 to 1 is the position of color scale, and the second is the escape color code. It goes to white to gold, red, also ice blue. Ice blue, and in this final 104 line on tell matplotlib to take the custom list above and blend them into usable color map. here is plot the figure, and finally we save in file name Dragon Julia Fractal. So we can start the program. Okay, this take the time, but we can see the finally plot. Is the figure is this, and we can see also the particular of the detail of a figure with different color we used in the Python code, and we can see also how is designed in the detail. Returning to the code, we can change the variable in this program. We can change chi, we can change n, and also the color of a setting of color to have a different result, final different result of fractal. Okay, you can find the list of Python code in GitHub. Okay, is all. Thank you. Bye.